Hello everyone, today I'll show how to fix account blocked in One Finance Solutions. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe for our channel for more One Finance Solutions tutorials. So open our financial.solutions website and back to the bottom of the page. We find to contact us link, click on it. Here we find contact information of the address of our financial solutions and the two emails that they use for email address, the contact and the phone number. You can reach them by email, telling them that your account is not freezed, or contact them by phone number. And you can also fill this contact information form with your full name, email, title, and message, and click on send message to send your customized message and reach customer support to help you with your account freeze. This is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.